Hola y bienvenidos a Sevilla. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Welcome to Seville.
Welcome to Sevilla. We've been here about 6 days and we haven't gone to the two most important parts of the fabric here in Sevilla.
Best for last.
We're gonna go to the Royal Alcazar and then we are gonna go to the third largest cathedral in the world. We're probably lost and welcome to our YouTube channel. For the past few weeks, Hannah and I have been chasing warmer weather in southern Spain. We spent the first couple days in Seville eating tapas and drinking wine, and now we're ready to see some sights. We plan to show you some of the top things in Seville if you only have 24 hours to explore. We hope you enjoy. For you Game of Thrones lovers out there, the Royal Alcazar is actually Dorne in the show. So every time, the sand snakes were shown, the big beautiful gardens, that's all in the Royal Alcazar. So we're gonna try and go in.
It's been kind of hard to talk through everything in here because they're not allowing anyone to take off their masks even for like a picture. So just show how beautiful this place is.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. If you're here, obviously this is a must stop. It's very romantic. Very romantic. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, this is a must stop. We've seen a lot and we've taken a lot of footage here. We're gonna try and cram in the cathedral now. It's right across the street, so it shouldn't take us long to get there. All right, let's go.
It's also been kind of confusing getting around everywhere, so we think we saw everything, but if you're here, I recommend a map.
Yeah.
I'm like manifesting my future garden here.
This is like the garden of all gardens.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Prior to going to the cathedral, we decided to stop and get some food. So now we're sitting here outside of a little bodega. Order some montaditos.
Some montaditos. It means on top of bread, which is what we learned yesterday.
And that's what we're doing. Hola. 4 montaditos.
This is the Iberico ham. This one, I think it's the Spanish omelet one.
It is.
This one is multiple different meats. And this one, I don't remember.
I guess we'll just bite into them and see. We ate too much. Yeah, we're gonna go in this cathedral, show you everything that we can. I don't know how much filming we're gonna be able to do in there, but it looks really regal and really fancy.
This is my favorite.
What? Are you talking about this? Just stunning.
So these 4 knights are dressed differently to represent the 4 provinces of Spain. And inside the tomb, right there, are the remains of the explorer Christopher Columbus. That this is going to be a
There's probably some stairs.
Yeah, this is going to be a long climb.
What's our problem with eating carbs before we have to walk?
I know.
That's rude.
Oh no.
Made it down. So that's the Alcazar, and that's the cathedral.
I think that was a good, if you have a day in Seville and you want to see some major sites, this is a perfect guide for what you should see.
Absolutely. I would recommend Royal Alcazar and the cathedral. They're both very different from anything that we would see in the States. If you're ever here, if you're ever in Seville, have the montaditos, have all the tours of all the historical places, and just try to learn as much as you can and embrace the culture here. It might feel weird, but go to dinner past 8 o'clock.
Yeah, you might be up till midnight, but that's okay.
That's how everybody does it
You
here.
might eat too much at lunch and take a nap, and that's okay. It's called a siesta.
Yes, we were literally instructed that that's what they do, and that's what we must do. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
It's always Christmas here in Spain.
Large metal Christmas tree that's not been lit at night.
Those bananas are huge.
Just so happens to be here right beside me.
There's not good ink.
That's not gonna look good.